Hey guys, I'm here for another video from my travel diary. This is my second time visiting Miyazaki, and on this trip, we only had one day to spare for sightseeing. We were in Miyazaki to attend a relative's wedding. Check out my Miyazaki playlist if you want to discover more about Miyazaki Prefecture. Miyazaki is truly one of the most stunning places I've been to in Japan. Therefore, I highly recommend you to visit if you get a chance. Bus is coming. This is the Miyazaki Culture Park. There's a bus stop here. This one. Miyazaki Jingu Shrine is devoted to ruler Jimmu, who was Japan's first emperor. Omikuji, a paper slip containing fortune-telling results, is commonly available at Japanese shrines and temples to forecast the future. They offer comprehensive information on different elements of life such as finances, health, and relationships. Referred to be messages from God, these items are available for purchase at prices ranging from 100 to 200 yen. Putting history to the side, this shrine is located in the midst of incredibly lush and peaceful forest, creating a truly stunning setting. From Miyazaki Shrine, we walked for about 10 minutes to get to the JRA Breeding Farm to see some horses. Wow! Look, we can touch them! So cute! Can we touch? They will not get angry? They don't bite? Can you try? Wow! This is the ideal location for you if you enjoy horse racing. You can bring the entire family along with you because there are some horses and a park where children are free to play. We arrived here at the zoo. It's called Phoenix Zoo. It's 840 yen. There's a shuttle. It's 100 yen.
A lot of people are following the elephant.
Yes. So weird. We arrived at the zoo around 1 in the afternoon. We were so lucky to witness the elephant walk and get a chance to take pictures with Midori-san, the elephant. We are on the line because we want to take a picture with the elephant. It's free, but you just have to fall in line. Yay! So close! There's also an amusement park located within the zoo. You'll find a pool that's exclusively open throughout the summer, along with restaurants, stores, ensuring you can have a full day of enjoyment. You'll get to witness around 1,200 animals from 100 different species such as Asian elephants, chimpanzees, and lions at this zoo. Engaging in activities that involve interacting with little animals, witnessing a goat parade, enjoying a stunning flamingo display, and other events are very popular. These are called squirrel monkey.
Their father is squirrel, their mother is monkey.
Chimpanzee. Ooh, giraffe is so tall. It's a lot. My husband and I found the tiger feeding time to be the most captivating part of our zoo visit.
Ooh!
As per the staff member who was feeding the tiger, tigers may not run as quickly as cheetahs, but they have a different hunting strategy. They usually hide and then patiently observe their prey.
Oh! Wow!
Every day, this tiger gets 3 chickens for its meal except on Wednesdays when the zoo is closed.
I really enjoy this place. This zoo, it's big, and yeah, it's really nice. It's not very crowded here, although it's Saturday. When you come to Miyazaki, especially if you have kids, you should come here. It's so fun. Unfortunately, we couldn't watch the flamingo show, so we're wondering what kind of show was that. Yeah, but there's so many flamingos and they're all really like pinkish peach like that. It's so beautiful.